Meet Olva, your real-time AI partner for meetings. Olva listens with you, not for you. It captures both sides of the conversation, separates speakers, and delivers accurate, real-time transcription without getting in the way. But Olva goes beyond notes. As your meeting unfolds, it explains jargon, fact-checks claims, surfaces hidden opportunities, and suggests smarter next steps all in real time. When questions come up, Olva detects them automatically and researches answers instantly. With one click, you can generate strategic analysis, clarifications, follow-up questions, recaps, or full meeting minutes. Choose AI personas like an executive strategist or visionary, depending on how you want to think. After the meeting, everything stays searchable: transcripts, insights, documents, and conversations. Olva doesn't replace your judgment. It sharpens it, live, during the moments that matter most. This is how Olva works in action. A financial advisor uses Olva in meeting with client. Olva is meeting agnostic and does not notify other participants. Olva starts capturing the meeting for advisor and transcribe it live. It detects either UVs, other participants are talking.
Isn't just about returns, it's about aligning risk, time horizon, and peace of mind.
Hi Hamid, thanks for your time. That makes sense. I'm new to investing and want to start responsibly.
Great. Let me start with a few basics. What's your primary goal? Long-term growth, income, or a mix of both?
Mostly long-term growth, but I don't want to take extreme risks. I had a bad experience with X Financials in Toronto and they said they are the best investment club in Canada. I was not happy and heard your firm is best in city.
System automatically find claims and fact-check them. Advisor reads the fact-check.
Perfect. That puts you in what we'd call a moderate risk profile. We'll focus on diversification so your portfolio isn't overly exposed to any single market or asset class.
What happens if the stock market drops? I am very scared from that and some people say we should not invest in stocks.
Olva highlights detected Sarah's question and searches for answer. Advisor reads the provided insights. You can ask question as well. Here advisor asks about market drawdowns in last 5 years. Olva can help you. What to say next?
Short-term drops are normal. That's why we pair stocks with more stable assets and focus on long-term investing rather than timing the market.
Olva helps to understand better by asking for clarifications.
I keep hearing about the S&P 500. How has it actually performed over the last 5 years? Was it average over 30%?
Olva detects another question about average of SP 500 over 30% in last 5 years and start finding answer.
That's a great question. Over the past 5 years, the S&P 500 has delivered strong long-term performance, with average annual returns roughly in the low to mid-teens, despite periods of volatility. What's important is average annual returns.
Advisor asks Olva what is a good question to ask based on context.
So, is it safe to just put everything into the S&P 500? I heard Nasdaq return is better.
Meanwhile, Olva detects Sarah's claim about Nasdaq returns and fact-check that automatically.
It's a strong foundation, but I wouldn't recommend putting everything into any single investment. The S&P 500 gives you exposure to large US companies.
So, bonds are safer than stocks? Why not all in bonds?
Olva detects next question and answers.
Might be 50-60% stocks, 20-30% bonds, 10-15% real estate, and 10-15% cash, adjusted over time as your goals or market conditions change.
Advisors suggest an allocation strategy and checks with Olva. Advisor gets a recap so far.
What are my retirement choices so I can have both income and growth?
Olva lets you to use your reference PDF, text files to find information. Advisor use a PDF document to answer a question. Olva uses uploaded PDF reference to answer question. Here you see Olva used contact from PDF to answer question. Olva AI Coach empowers you to be in control of meeting. Advisor uses AI Coach to see how he can use this data for leading the conversation. AI Coach suggests next steps based on conversation and meeting. You can end the meeting when finished. See meeting stats. After the meeting, you can have access to meeting transcript, all generated insights, ask questions, and provided answers during the meeting for your future reference or post-meeting analysis. You can access post-meeting minute after you finished your meeting.